Alright guys, so we're going to show you what to do if you're trying to upload a tune to your X3, X4.
Let's go.
We have the X4 like so plugged in, but we're going to just load the custom tune file. So we're going to browse, and here's where it's going to be, and then you move it over, say program. So it's going to do it. The bottom bar will show you the progress, and ta-da, it's on. And to do so, remove and program again, and Action will be deleting your tune, and it'll show you the progress, and it's complete. So we're going to go back, and that's that. You can check for updates if you need to. Probably a good thing to do before you marry the tuner to the car ECU. And it's always good to make sure, if you need to, you click up to date. But because we don't need to, go and hit cancel. And that's it for this part of the program. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.